Hi guys. I just am hopping on here really quickly to apologize for lack of posts this week. I have been extremely busy just trying to get my head above water with everything that we do at the beginning of the school year. And I have seen so many people posting about how behind they feel. I am right there with you. I have great plans on the weekend for all the things I'm going to do. But my week last week was just very exhausting. And it wasn't a bad week, but it was just like trying to do everything virtually and still, make relationships with my students, still get everything organized, get all the phone numbers, addresses, my directory set up, make phone calls to families and see how their kids were doing with the beginning of the school year. Like, I just feel like I'm so behind on everything. In fact, I don't even have my lesson completely ready for tomorrow. I know what I'm doing, but I do not have my slides put together, and I'm tired and I'm ready to go to bed. So it's been a long day today. Even we had a meeting at the church and it ran longer than expected. And then I have been neglecting my kids' church videos. So I did one of those today, which took me some time. I have to say that I have probably at least 3 videos coming that I need to edit for you guys. I have a ton of like little clips saved on my phone and, well, my husband's phone. I am getting ready to get a new phone because mine got messed up. Um, I told you the story of how it was put on top of the car at the farmer's market, and then we drove away forgetting that it was on top of the car, and it got smashed up. So, trying right now to figure out if I'm going to actually get a different phone or if I'm just going to use the insurance and replace the one that I had. But my sound quality on my videos should be better shortly because my husband's phone, he's got some problem with the speaker, and we didn't realize how bad it was until I started trying to make videos with it. So I apologize for the echoing and the tinny or not tinny, like far away muffled sound of my videos over the last couple of weeks because this is all I've had. So anyway, my students come first, and everything that I'm doing right now, if I run out of time, it's for posting because this is like the last thing that I do. But I have a video from time with Grayson, and maybe I'll just post that because we're going to visit them next weekend for Joe's birthday, which is the 4th. So we're going to go over Labor Day weekend and spend some time with them. And I will get to see Grayson again, the grandson. So maybe I'll just take some video and photos from that and put it together with my other one that I was intending to do that I haven't done yet. I also want to post the video for you guys that I promised you of how to turn a PDF or an image into a writable activity, or even how to edit and put images on images. Um, that's something that I think can be used in a lot of different situations. So I'm going to post a video of that shortly. I'm also going to post a follow-up on what I'm doing in Canvas so far, but I need to get myself caught up for the week in Canvas before I do that. So anyway, I'm going to go to bed and try to get up early and get some things done before my first class tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. And I just wanted to come on here and say that I haven't forgotten about all of you, and I hope everyone is doing well with your back to school, and just keep the faith and keep your chin up, and we will get through this virtual teaching together. Alright, everybody have a good night. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen. Bye-bye.